Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Efren, Pampanga. Para sa video na to guys, naghahanap ba kayo ng private villa dito sa Angeles City? Guys, this is Casa Unido. I wanna show you more about this place. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Hi guys! How are you? Actually, nag-start yung vlog natin dito sa loob niya kasi I'm stunned. Gustong-gusto ko yung design at saka yung feel ng Casa Unido, guys. So this is the living room. Ayan. Medyo na-invade na lang siya ng mga bata, but this is how it looks like while it's, you know, untouched. Ito siya. Ayan. Okay, so moving forward. So ito yung dining area nila, indoor. What's inside? Ano yung mga amenities dito? Siyempre, meron tayong refrigerator. Ayun siya. Hi, ma'am. Basic appliances, microwave oven, rice cooker, we have the sink over there. Hama, ang ganda, napaka-aesthetic ng ano natin, villa natin for today. Moving forward, this is the first room. Ito siya, we have 3 rooms. Now, the first room is the master's bedroom. Ito siya. Ayan guys, so meron tayong queen size bed. We have a small table here for contemplating pag nag-iisip-isip ka. And then, meron na rin siyang sariling toilet and bath. Mga toilet and bath natin dito, sobrang lalaki nila guys, ang lalaki. So this is the first room. Let's go to the other room. In the middle guys, ng corridor, so meron tayo ditong sofa. Now, the second room, this is the biggest room in terms of accommodation. No? So this room has 2 bunk beds at saka pull-out bed. So this can accommodate siguro 4, 8, 12 comfortable pa yung mga ano dito, mga makatutulog dito. But most probably pwede pang ma-extend yon. What's inside? Meron tayo ditong large flat screen TV. So this room has its own entertainment place. Let's get inside dun sa toilet and bath niya. Napakalaki din ito guys. Ito siya. Look at this. It is so big. Ang laki guys. So, spacious. Lahat pala ng ano natin, mga rooms natin are air-conditioned. Actually, the entire house is air-conditioned. What I can say, mga ceiling natin dito, ang gaganda din nila, no? High ceiling, very high ceiling. Now, going to the last room, eto siya. We have 2 queen-size beds fit for small family. Up until, siguro, 4 to 6 people, pwede dito. And, its own toilet and bath. So yun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang swimming pool area and this is how it looks like during the evening. Eto yun guys, ito yung swimming pool area natin. During the day, nakita ninyo guys, napaka-inviting, more inviting actually during the evening dahil sa mga lights, ambience, mas maganda po siya during the evening. So, yun, this is how it looks like during the evening.